see the fill options available in the fourth option from the right in this menu where you can see my cursor. So this is the menu, and the first three options are the fill options. It says solid color fill. Okay, it will simply fill the color on the layer. Let's say I fill in this yellow color, and now what I can do is to lower the opacity, and you'll see the change, and you'll notice that our picture has a warmer look. Okay, so to give a warmer look you can just fill in the yellow color, or to give a cool look you can just fill the blue color, or any other color as you want it. Okay, so according to your need, you can just fill in the color. And let's say you want that effect just on the building and not on the sky. So what you can do, there is this option you can see. This is called layer mask, okay, or vector mask also. So you can just click on this and then select a brush maybe, or maybe you can make a selection to fill in the black color on this mask. You see, when I do like this, I'll select the black color and then I'll fill it in. What it is doing, it's negating the effect of that fill on the areas where we are painting black, and that black is appearing on this thumbnail of the layer mask. Okay, so wherever you will brush this, or you can make a selection and fill in the black color by alt backspace, so that area will be negated by the effect of this color fill. Okay, so this is the layer mask tool also. And if you I just delete it. If you have any other layer here, let's say you drag another image onto here. Let's say I'll do this. I'll do Go to desktop. I'll bring it in this picture. Okay, so let's say I want just this mosque in this picture. For any reason it's not appropriate like in this sense, but to understand it is great. You can just apply the layer mask, the fifth option from the right in this menu, layer mask, and then you can just select the brush tool, and you can paint black on here. Okay, and this picture will get erased. Okay, so whatever your layer is here, you can just apply mask to any of the layer. Okay, so this was color fill. And now there is another option, gradient fill. You can just fill in the gradient like this, and the options of gradient we have seen in the previous class. So you can just apply the gradient also, and the gradient of your choice. You can have that gradients from here, any gradient you want. So, and if you don't want it on a certain area, you just go to layer mask and negate it. That is gradient fill. Okay, similarly, this is the pattern fill. So these are the patterns available here. Okay, so you can just scale them down or scale them up to hide or display the texture, and then you can press OK, and then you can down the opacity of the layer. Okay, so now our picture has some textured look. So that is also a useful tool. So that was pattern fill. So these three options here are the fill options. So you can use them while editing your pictures. Thank you.